So these are pockets I created the other day. So these are book pages, like this, folded together, folded in half, and then glued together. So glue book pages I just glued together, not perfectly. Showing you if I can. So just in the middle, just a little bit. And then I put on, where is it? Here, I have this paper pad, and it has really many papers in different directions. So beautiful, and I just have the perfect size. So I put on, I glued on one paper on one of these leftover glue pages. I left the back blank, and then I sewed around the edges, and I used this fold over, so this what is already together, and punched out this half moon. Maybe you can see it here. So this half moon on this, and not on the pages where they are not so perfectly together. So in this video we want to decorate these pockets. Hi, this is Mel from MelPinkJournals. So let's start. Sitting down. First thing. So let's see. So you would use them like you would have a book, and then you would put on, this would be the top of the pocket, or the part where you put in your cards. The part where you put in your cards, yes, this was right. Then you would put on glue on these three sides, and this would stay open, and you put in something into here. So this is how you could use them. So these are really decorative papers, but I want to have something more like a focal point. So for me, these cards need something more. For example, let's see if we like this. Yes, I like this, but maybe something else. So this is from Stamperia, and I have digital printables. I printed out stamps, and I want to use some of the stamps just because I like them. Maybe just this, yes. I just thought maybe I want to put, I'm just searching for a book. Here it is. Sometimes I like to use a bit of book page, just to break in the page a bit more. And I have a bit of book page left over here, or to tie the things together, so like putting this into the middle and putting these things onto here, but this would be a bit too much for me now. Maybe just a tiny bit over here. Yes, I like this. I like this layered look. So I need my glue papers, which are these ones, my glue, and then putting down these things. Of course, this takes away a bit from the original image, but I think it really adds to the journal. And maybe I have the feeling I want to put down some fabrics as well. Not only this book pages, but a bit of fabric. So I think I will see if I have some fabric which is perfect for these cards. Maybe a bit of vintage looking fabric, so like the cards are, but maybe something more modern looking, just to break it in a bit. And this says, the job of the artist is always to deepen the mystery. Okay. If you mean so, it's okay for me. This is a bit blue. Oh, I like it really much. Okay, yes, this is finished for me. And the backing will stay as it is. And this color doesn't matter. I just used this really bright neon green because I like it, and I created some journaling cards as well. So for example, this one from the same book. So this image was in the Reader's Digest book, and this is the back, and here you have the same thread. And this is visible, and this will not be visible, but I'll just use the colors I had in my machine, and I like to mix them up a bit. So, but anyway, this is ready or finished. Next one, this is with a lot of music. I have some of these offcuts lying on here. Maybe I could use a bit of this. Just trying out some things, and then I have die cuts and fuzzy cuts. Oh, this is cool. Maybe this Tiffany, how do you call it? Is it a lamp? I don't know. I can't remember right now. It's not a bulb, but you know what I mean. but this is not standing out so much. So maybe I have something else. I have something of this. This is tea dyed and it's a bit darker. So this stands out more. But I will search for some other things. Maybe I have some, I will search for some other things I have in mind. So I have a bit of lace like this, but this is really, no, this is not the thing I want to use. I want to put this on a whole journal someday. Maybe I have to iron it before. I will search for some other lace. Okay, I'm back. I found some things, not a vintage lace like I was looking for, but I found some other things which I like too. So for example, this jeans. I really like how this looks. Maybe a bit of a layered look. So let's just cut a bit off. I thought maybe with a bit of black. So like a little cluster with the focal point. Oh yes, I like this. Okay, so I wanna staple this together. I just thought when I staple it together it will be a bit loose over here, but this is fine for me. But then I want to glue down the whole backing, because this is a pocket and you put in the things over here, not on the front. So if this is a bit loose, this is fine for me. Why got my glue stuck? Okay, this is a bit dried out glue here. Try again. Oh, come on. Okay, so now putting on some fabric glue or textile glue. Like this. Oops. Just into the edge. Why not? And putting on this. So I think these focal points, clusters, focal point clusters, focal points or clusters or tabs or something like this, it just gives the journal or the journaling card, in this case, a final touch. So this will stand up a bit, but I think it's fine. And I want to have something here. I just eyed this, I forgot the name, cup, this cup, but I don't want to have this over here. Okay, this is standing up really much, but anyway, this is okay. It will hold in place. So, but some more of these stems. I'm so in love with these stems. I love stems anyway. Now I have so many I can use. It's so fine. Maybe this one, I ripped it a bit wrong, but I think it really adds to the journal, but it is a bit too much the same color. So maybe I have something in a bit more standing out color. I'm just searching for the smaller ones. Maybe this. No, not you. Not you. Oh yes, this is fine. It's not taking away too much from our cluster we just created, but it gives the pocket or journaling card, you could use it as a journaling card if you want to, it gives it something a little bit of extra. Don't need this hair, thank you. Okay, yes. Okay, let's do one or two more and I think then I have to sign off. Okay, this one, this is already like a postcard. Maybe we can use a bit of this lace. This is from an old top which got damaged over the years, and I kept the lace parts. Just a tiny bit over here, and then maybe a focal point. Let's see if we have something small. Okay, this is not really small, but I like the colors together. Maybe then a bit of a bigger piece from here. But of course I keep the little pieces. So, okay, maybe letting this overlap a bit. No, it could be a bit it's just tiny things, but it could be a bit smaller. I don't want this to be the full background, but just so like something like the half of the background, so something like this. Yes, I like this. Okay, oh, really like this. Okay, in this case I want to put down some glue, make this stay in place, but then I want to staple it on anyway. Just trying to make sure the staples will get covered up later. Okay, I will just try out. We can cover it up anyway. We will find a way. Okay, it's covering up. It's covered up. Perfect. So this is a bit loose. Loosened, this is no a big deal for me. I like it. So this image again is from Stamperia. Really, really love the Stamperia paper pads. I buy them on Amazon usually, if I cannot lay my hands on them in a local store. But usually I buy them on Amazon, to be honest. So getting rid of the glue over here, we don't need. Okay, anyway. Okay, this is finished. Maybe one more. What else do we have? Maybe something else. Okay, I have music paper and journaling and postcards, like postcards. But I have this. Oh, this. Oh yes, this could be a pocket which is loading from here. Then this text would be in the wrong direction. But anyway, but this could be a side-loading pocket as well. Maybe I will decorate this just as a side-loading pocket. Maybe using again a bit of this black lace, just a bit, and then we need a focal point, the Pope. Like it. Maybe I have some more of these die cards in another shape. No, this is too small. Okay, it can get a bit. It can be a bit bigger. Oh, this is really, really big. No, I don't like this. This is not the perfect thing. I have something else in mind which may work out. Maybe something like this. Okay, I'm just searching for another piece. If I can find something that is fitting my idea. What other way I will use this? I think this is too big. Maybe it's good. Maybe with a bit more of this lace. No, just a bit. Just playing around with some bits and pieces. Yes, I really like this. Okay, I will do this. So I have to cut off a bit from here. Keeps the rest, of course. And maybe cutting this a bit more straight. So then again, putting on some glue. Okay, this will be the last card for the moment because I have to do some other things right now. Cannot craft on. Oh, just have to clean up my tool. So this onto here. Oh, this onto here, like this. Thank you. And then some staples to use them and to hold it in place. And the life path onto here. Yes. Maybe I have to put. Maybe I want to put something onto here. I just thought. Okay, I will find out. But for the first thing, we will put on this focal point. So just try out some things you have at hand. You don't have to buy fancy stuff. You can create your own things, or you can use digital printables. Of course, you have to have a printer, or you have to print them out somewhere, maybe in a copy shop, printer shop, I don't know, if you don't have a printer by your own. But of course, if you print out things, so this I bought and I cut out. But if you print out things, you can print them out as often as you want and reuse them. So this is what I like about printables. But I use both. I use printables, I use paper pads, not only Stamperia, but cheaper paper pads as well. Just depends on my mood. So I add something, maybe not a stamp in this case, but just something like this. My gosh, my English. It does not stand out so well. So maybe I could ink just the edges. Okay. Inking the edges is not my plan for now. I would have to stand up, get my ink, get my tool. I'm a bit lazy. I don't want to stand up. But of course, when I would ink the edges, it would stand out more. I'm just searching for some other things I could use. For example, this. Maybe a combination of these two. No, no combination. Oh, I just add something. A tiny little die cut. No, fuzzy cut. Fuzzy cut. This is a fuzzy cut. No, this is too much. Playing around with some small things. I will find something for here, or I will really ink the edges of the other thing I showed you. Maybe I will do this later. Maybe. Or I could just use this. No, no. I really think this is the perfect thing. I have some inks over here, but this is, no, blue and pink. Okay, maybe blue. I'm really too lazy to get up and get my inking tool. So I will do it in this way. If it works out, I don't know. We will find out. Okay. Okay, why not? I think it looks really good in this blue color. Really, really good. Good. Then glue this. Let us glue this down. And that's it for this video. So I'm just mass making a few pockets and journaling cards right now. So I will show you how to use this someday. Maybe I will sell these in my Etsy shop. I did not decide. Sorry for my English. I have a bit problems finding the words today. I did not decide yet. Maybe I will. Maybe I will put some of these cards and pockets in my Etsy shop. But I think I want to use some of these by myself and show you how you can use them. But I don't know when this will be. So let me show you the other pockets. So I created this pocket and this one. And the backs are like this. So you just glue them on, putting glue on the back, of course, on these three sides. And then this is your pocket. Or in this case, putting on the glue here, here, and here. On the back, of course. And then this would be your pocket. Then we created this one and this one. That's it for this video of today. I have to clean off now. I have to sign off. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And if you're interested in what these beauties are and what I do with these, please watch the other video I put on before. And I will decorate these journaling cards together with you in another video. Or I did this before, and I think I want to do some more on camera, and maybe I will do some off camera. We will see. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.